Is it the right time to buy or sell Microsoft stock? In this video, we will delve deep into Microsoft. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, February 14, 2024. Today, we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, and enable notifications to stay updated on our latest analysis. Staying informed about potential factors that could influence your investments is crucial. Improve your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since January 8, 2024, our system has ranked Microsoft as a hold/accumulate, giving it a score of 0.44. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. Surprisingly, the stock has outperformed our expectations, with a gain of 9.29% since we first recommended buying Microsoft 27 days ago. That's an average return of 0.34% per day since it was listed as hold/accumulate. The stock is currently experiencing a strong upward trend in the short term, indicating the potential for further growth. Based on the 3-month trend, there is a projected 11.73% change in the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 5.70% to 15.35%. Looking at the 12-month trend, there is an anticipated 42.89% change over the next year, with a potential return ranging from 25.62% to 47.28%. This suggests a price range of $514.40 to $603.08 after 12 months. Our latest update on Microsoft reveals that the stock price closed at $409.49 on Wednesday, marking a gain of 0.780%. On the last trading day, which was Wednesday, February 14, 2024, the Microsoft stock price experienced a 0.780% increase, rising from $406.32 to $409.49. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 1.3%, reaching a low of $404.57 and a high of $409.84. It's worth noting that the price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days and has seen a 3% increase over the past 2 weeks. The trading volume decreased by -7 million shares on the last day, with a total of 20 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $8.27 billion. It's important to consider that a decrease in volume alongside higher prices may indicate a potential divergence and could serve as an early warning for possible changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest recorded price for the stock was $420.82, while the lowest was $245.61. Currently, the price stands at 2.69% below the 52-week high, amounting to $11.33. It's worth mentioning that this 52-week high also represents the all-time high for the stock. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, February 7, 2024, Oppenheimer upgraded Microsoft with an overweight grade. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, BMO Capital upgraded Microsoft with an outperform grade. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, RBC Capital upgraded Microsoft with an outperform grade. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, William Blair upgraded Microsoft with an outperform grade. On Wednesday, January 31, 2024, Barclays upgraded Microsoft with an overweight grade. Analysts have given Microsoft stock a strong buy rating overall. They rate the PE ratio as strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. When it comes to return on investment, the analysts also give the stock a strong buy rating. Today, we'll be looking at the signals for Microsoft stock. Let's dive in. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal for Microsoft stock. However, the long-term average indicates a buy signal. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, we have a general buy signal for the stock, which gives a positive forecast. If the stock continues to rise, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at around $412.18. On the other hand, if it falls, it could find support from the long-term average at approximately $393.84. Breaking through the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while breaking through the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Despite the stock's price increase, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could be an early warning sign. It's important to closely monitor the stock. Some negative signals have also been issued, which could influence the stock's short-term development. On Friday, February 9, 2024, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a 2.63% decrease so far. It is likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently signaling a sell. Today, we'll explore some interesting signals in the stock market. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots also show a sell signal 4 days ago. On the other hand, Bollinger indicates a buy signal 4 days ago. The short-term moving average suggests a sell signal 3 days ago. Meanwhile, the long-term moving average points to a buy signal 28 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 25 days ago. Now, let's take a look at the 12-month chart. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 28 days ago. The long-term moving average also supports a buy signal 75 days ago. Additionally, the relation between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 72 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Today, we'll be discussing support, risk, and stop-loss for Microsoft. Microsoft stock has found support from accumulated volume at $397.58. This is an important level to watch as it may present a buying opportunity. When support is tested, we often see an upwards reaction in the stock price. Microsoft is known for being a stock that is traded at a good volume, meaning there is a healthy amount of buying and selling activity. With minor daily price changes, the risk associated with this stock is considered to be low. Looking at the recent performance, the stock had a range of $5.27, 1.3%, between its high and low in the last trading day. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average volatility of 1.3% on a daily basis. Before we discuss the potential trading levels for Microsoft, let's first review some important fundamental data. One significant metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This ratio compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Microsoft's PE ratio falls within the average range, which is common for companies with established track records and stable revenues. Moving on, the upcoming earnings report for Microsoft's first quarter of 2024 is scheduled for April 23 RD, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for this report stand at $2.81. It's crucial to keep an eye on these figures as they can significantly impact the stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Microsoft. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for Microsoft stands at $409.72. If you don't currently hold any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before considering a position. However, for those who already have a position, this could be an opportune level for swing trading. On the other hand, if the stock experiences a downward movement, Microsoft's first support level comes in at $397.58. Should this support level hold, it could serve as a promising entry point, with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Microsoft from multiple analyst sources is strong buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. One of the key insiders, Smith Bradford L., has recently executed 5 trades, both buying and selling a total of 48,003 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be positive with a ratio of 4.560. Overall, insiders have purchased 336,402 shares and sold 288,437 shares in the last 100 trades. We recommend setting the stop loss at $391.74, which is a decrease of 4.33%. This particular stock has minimal daily movements, resulting in lower risks for investors. Additionally, we have observed a sell signal from a pivot top that was identified 3 days ago. Is Microsoft stock a good buy? Although Microsoft currently shows several negative signals that suggest it may be a sell candidate, there is also the potential for a turnaround situation. Therefore, it could be considered as a hold candidate or an opportunity to accumulate more shares, depending on your investment strategy. Our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued, based on the volatility and movements observed during the last trading day. Looking ahead to Thursday, February 15th, we anticipate that Microsoft stock will open with a decline of -$1.52, starting the day's trading at $407.97. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. We strongly advise you to consult a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions regarding securities. Please note that StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and assume responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to our current view of the stock. We're excited to hear your thoughts, so please comment below and share your opinions. What target do you have in mind for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe to stay updated. We hope you have successful trading and a wonderful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.